Welcome to Bond Cottage. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa cum bed, tea table arrangement, and also we have dining counter with 3 chairs and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the right side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.